So, finally finished up on the apron for the Mazak lathe. It was quite dirty and a lot of cleaning and fixing and bearing changing. It's basically all needle bearings and pack boxes, but they've been all been replaced. So now it's running quite smoothly, or actually very smoothly. It hasn't seen a lot of use, but it was mainly seeing little maintenance. Down there you can see the oil pump working from the hand wheel, and also with the primer. And some of the main features which can be nice to look at is it's quite an extensive oiling system with the main feed pipe from the bottom of that side running in the bottom up here, and here it's coming up to feed the cross slide. And here there are some spillovers or gravity feeds. So the oil comes up here and then it pours out to feed other bearing points. So from here it's two outlets to the two needle bearings here, and one for the needle bearing in here. And here on this side we have three of them, one, two, and one in the corner. So this in the corner, it lubricates this shaft and the intermediate sprockets. And these two, one of them goes down to the actual bearing for this one, and this one it goes down here and to a sliding bearing in here for this one. And the main function of it is really not too complicated. Here is the power feed lever choice maker. So we just engage either that one, which should be for somewhere. We can actually look at the sign here. If we pull it down, it looks like it's lengthwise, and upper like that, it's across. And here is the intermediate position, and here is the interlock for the thread engagement. So in this position we can engage the half nuts. And if any other position is activated, you cannot engage the threading feeds. So one can see that it has a little bit of wear, but it's not much, and some of the things, yeah, it was mainly very dirty from sitting a long time and basically seeing zero maintenance. If we look at this one, we can see some small marks, but you can basically barely feel it. And the same with the other gear faces, they are actually nice. What I would have liked to have a chance to change is actually this intermediate shaft, which is a little bit ugly and worn. And the good thing about most of them is that we walk around here, we can see that there is a center bushing which is locked. So it's really just to take out the sprocket, make a new bushing insert and make a new shaft for it. And it can actually be done from the front side. So maybe I do that later. Now let's get it down to the lathe and install it. That will be next year's project.